Hey, good morning everybody. On the last video, I showed you how to install the starter rope kit in this. And now today what we're going to do is we're going to try to start it up and see what's going on with it. So the first thing I did so far is I checked the oil on it, and the oil's full. That's the first thing you're going to want to do. Then I pulled the spark plug out and I shot a little two-stroke mix, fuel gas mix, with the gas of course. And after I pulled the spark plug out, this is what I found. The gap is closed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to re-gap the spark plug, take it off the bench. I put some gasoline in it. So far it's holding the gas, so the needle and seat is not stuck to the open position to where it keeps letting gas in there and floods out the carburetor. So that's a good sign. It could be as simple as the spark plug, but I won't be sure until I try to start it up and see what's going on with it. Yeah, there's one other thing I forgot to mention. It's neither Tecumseh or a Briggs & Stratton engine. It's a Chinese engine. It's a, what is this, a Wenling? I never heard of this before. Wenling Zhengfeng. I've never heard of this before. So hopefully if I have to do carburetor work, we're not going to need any parts for it. I'm going to try to be as careful as I can if we have to take the carburetor apart. I just quick looked online to see what the engine was exactly, and that's what I found out, that it's made in China. It's a Chinese engine. So let's see what happens here. Okay, let's see if we can get this to do anything. Might have to prime the carburetor. I'll use the two-stroke mix if I have to. I put the choke on. I disconnected the kill switch here. So let's see what happens. Wants to do something. Prime it a little bit. Put a couple of squirts in here. Doesn't feel like it has much compression. Oh, I forgot to put the spark plug wire back on. A little dopey at 7 o'clock in the morning. I wonder if I flooded it by now. I don't know. I'm going to pull the spark plug back out and see what's going on. It's the weirdest thing. The spark plug gap is closed again. I don't know if it has the wrong spark plug in it. I'll try to stick a screwdriver down in there, a long screwdriver, and see what's going on with the piston. So that's weird. Closed right back up again. Maybe somebody put the wrong plug. I don't know. It has an NGK plug in it, a BPR6ES. Sounds like it should be the right plug for it, but I don't know what's going on. It's weird. see if we get this. See if I can get this screwdriver to go down into the cylinder here. Everything seems to be okay with the piston. The piston comes way up though. I wonder if the spark plug is wrong. Let me see if I have a different plug we could try in there. That would be funny if somebody stuck the wrong plug in there. Okay, I put a spark plug in it that's way too short. Seems like it wants to start. The carburetor needle and seat, it is leaking some, but I want to see about putting the right spark plug in it before we do anything to it. I'll give it another try and see if it'll start again. Yeah, see, it wants to start. But like I said, we got the wrong spark plug in there. So. Popping. Might be because we have the wrong plug in there. So that's what we're getting out of it right now. So I'm gonna have to do an investigation and see if we can get the right spark plug for it. The other plug is definitely a wrong plug because it keeps on closing the gap. So. If anything, we learned that always check the spark plug and see what's going on with that also, on top of checking the oil and whatnot. So I'll get back to you, see if I can find some sort of spark plug that'll fit this thing. Okay, I've seen it where, you know, these long spark plugs, the long threaded spark plugs, I've seen them where they're like 1/4 of an inch shorter than what we have here. So I'm guessing somebody put the wrong spark plug in it. So that's going to be it for today. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.